Hey everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here, and today we have an antique brass Craftmade CXL from the mid-2000s it looks like, because it's got the builder style, the builder style housing and vents. Pretty cool install. Go ahead and start it up on the light kit, yeah.
Cool is an understatement.
Yeah, I love this ceiling. It's beautiful.
There we go.
If I were to pick a different fan for here, which this fits pretty well, but if I were to, it'd probably be antique brass Victorian or Panama.
I was thinking Vic as well.
What? Oh, there's the switch for that. Okay, there's that. There we go. Alright, let medium speed.
It's on a Hampton Bay remote control.
And that light bulb bothers me. I want to change it so bad.
I feel you.
And all these can lights that don't work, I also want to change. And then the fluorescent lights that are out, I'd like to do that too. Okay, high speed. Oh, wow.
It gets going.
Craftmade. Yeah, my butt. A lot of these aren't actually that bad, even though they...
It's quieter than the other. It's quieter than one of my two Saturdays.
This thing's pretty quick. Moves a good amount of air. Alright, you can spin it down now. I really don't like doing spin downs, but oh well. For the fans. Get it?
There.
Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Dem puns. Man, this camera is just so beast. Here's the canopy. It's got a yellow ball on it. Okay, well I am not going to even bother with the spin down. So thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed.